Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and start by getting our spray paint in white, and we are going to do one coat, and then I will have to do two more coats after this one just because this color is so dark. So I waited about a couple of hours and then I did the following coat. Now I went to Hobby Lobby and I got this beautiful ribbon. It was 50% off. It was $8.99. I got a yard. It wasn't enough, but then I still did the project. So I went ahead and applied this beautiful diamond ribbon right on top of the Kleenex holder, and I use E6000 for that. Since I didn't have enough ribbon, I went ahead and used this diamond wrap that I bought at the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and put it on the side of the box like so, and this is the final result. Now for this DIY, it was quite easy. I went ahead and got this frame at the Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and blinged it out just a bit. I went ahead and put some of this diamond wrap on the sides of the frame and also on the clip. I found these beautiful makeup brushes at the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to create a display, so I went ahead and kind of played with the shape that I wanted to use here, and once I was happy, I went ahead and used hot glue to put them in place. And this is the final result. I hope that you like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.